Oh, look at his inside line. Pop. And then we're down here, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh man, the leaves. Yeah, that's it, you got it. Yeah, nice one. This is a deep bit.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's a long way down.
You all good?
Yeah.
Righty.
Oh.
This way. Whoa! 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 Oh my god! You have no idea what's coming up. You got it right and you didn't cut it. Oh man! Oh! Oh my goodness, all I can see is leaves! Oh, jeez! Oh, oh, well held. Just rolled that. Oh, the drifted line. Lean into it. Oh, he's taking the inside line. Oh, oh, oh my goodness. Oh yeah, middle line here is the one. That's it. Love it. See what? Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, line overdoes here. Oh, that is a better line. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh, your line choice is so much better. Yeah, so much better than mine.
Yeah. Oh, that's in the way. Oh. Oh.
That tree might stop us.
That tree definitely might stop us.
Yeah.
I'm not sure we're moving that one either.
I think that might be beyond me.
Oh no. Yeah. Oh man, he's on the chart. Oh. Oh, what? Oh yeah, that's nice. Let's open it. Wire! I assure you.
did that one slipping.